Haplast implements comprehensive benefits and development policies to support their employees professionally. The company offers competitive salaries, performance bonuses, health and social insurance, and regular health checkups. Employees can also participate in various professional development training programs. Haplast ensures clear career advancement paths and provides a friendly professional work environment. Additionally, family initiatives are supported, promoting work-life balance. These policies aim to create a committed, healthy, and skilled workforce, contributing to the company's sustainable growth and success. Become a part of the Haplast team today, where your presence is not just welcomed, but celebrated.